I know TPTV got what I wanted them to get already. You hear me?
That's the nigga that got the
exclusive, real hood content, nigga.
Hello?
How you doing?
Hey, what's happening?
How's it going?
I'm good. How you?
Oh, I'm blessed. Yeah, I'm blessed.
You told me that you just had a surprise party, huh?
Yeah, oh man, we had a ball. We had, yeah, they
I'm living vicariously.
I could dig it. Yeah, we call it the black royalty. That was the theme of it, black royalty.
Okay.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun, man. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, I'm glad, man. Hey, I had to meet with them lawyers, you know?
Yeah. Before you go there, I wanna commend. You know, the day has been a beautiful day, right? And something real special has taken place. You know, that step down thing that Trump has put in effect seemed to be real. You know, your oldest son is on his way in, from my understanding.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Yeah. Unbelievable, right?
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, I was scared about that, you know?
Yeah.
I was scared about that, you know? Because he come in last and they put all kind of twists and turns on him, you know?
Right.
But no, wait.
Yeah, the Lord worked in mysterious ways.
Man, you just made my day.
Yeah. I thought you would like that, so I said I better start it off with this before anything go wrong, you know?
That's right. You know, I tried to, I called and it didn't go through. And I called again.
Yeah, I was coming up in that elevator.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know what I did? I hung up and then I called Willie and I said, fuck this shit. I hung it up again and called one more time.
You know what? I'm glad you done that, because that's what I done. I hung up. I mean, after I didn't get it, I had her on the other line when you was calling. And I said, hold on, this him. Oh man, great minds work alike. Yeah, already know. Yeah, I done the same thing.
Okay. I'm right now working on getting this paper straight about this marriage thing.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, she been really looking forward to that, so.
Yeah. She got it coming. I don't care how loud and dirty I am. She got that
Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah.
old man made it to the step down, huh?
Yeah. Them and 04 had to sit down for lunch.
Yeah, that's why I knew they in there together, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a blessing. Hopefully that he'll catch a break, but I pray for it and all that, but I just don't see it happening, you know what I mean? But hopefully it do, it will. Because I've seen them do that so many times, they'll let you make it right there and keep you right there for 20, 30 years.
But once the people get behind you, man, sometimes that's what counts, you know.
Exactly.
Especially the right people, you know.
That's right. You know, people need to rally behind old man, an honorable old man, and you know, people get behind their own people and all this and that. He one of us. You know what I mean? And that's the same. I ain't knocking Mumia. I love Mumia. But the same way the people rallied around Mumia, that's how they need to rally around the old man. He worthy of that. The man got 43 in, man. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. And then if people open up their eyes and just look at his case, you'll see that he's been straight railroad. It's straight BS. The man in the joint, they give him that all this other time just so he can't make it to the free work. Because they scared of him because he got a little political power now. Because about him being conscious, that means that he can, you know, sway the people towards a vote. And that's what they don't want, you know?
Mm-hmm. That's real talk.
Yeah, and that's he ain't about all this stuff that they trying to put on him. You know, he ain't with that self-destruction. You know what I mean? That doesn't even fit him. You know, that's dumb stuff. That's what they want people to believe. You know what I mean? And then you got these ignorant youngsters out there that they'll be talking about, yeah, if he came home, what they'll do to him. You know, this and that. That's stupidity to even talk like that. Once upon a time they could have got away with that. You know what I mean? They couldn't get away with that being around nobody like myself, and I wouldn't accept it. You know what I mean? You can't even talk like that around me about the old man, you know. Mm-hmm. I sacrifice everything I got. I'll be going back to Colorado and be happy about it. Because I'm always talking like that about the old man around me. If you read the judge's opinion, you'll see that the judge said, I'm going to do this, disagree with a colleague and everything. So I'm not going to railroad this guy just because of, you know, what he's accused of. And sure, I'm sure he got a bad background and this and that. But I'm not going to railroad him. He still is worthy of the law. Man, I'd like to see him at least get out of there, you know, but I'd like to see him make it to the world. And Chicago in real bad shape. That's all they doing is killing each other, just stuff on stupid. Because I always tell these youngsters, like, I'm always speaking about, I always make it clear to them, I never met Jay. I don't know Jay. I've never met him.
Right.
But man, I know he's the most honorable joker as far as, you know, their life and all these jokers that look up to somebody, especially his music and all that. He the only one really worthy of that. You can't put that on Jay-Z and all them other kids. They ain't worthy of that. You know what I mean? Slim is worthy of that. And they know it. Everybody know it. That's why they run to him every time there's something. But that's what he needs too. He needs to get on board to where he can, you know, they need to start putting down in these projects and all this, man. It's got to come a time to where we got to stop doing this to each other.
Please, rushing that sad nigga, moving that pain. You busting your gap, bitch, I'm busting that bangs. Fuck from the back, yeah, I pull out a train. Up on the red, big cut me a stain. I fuck with that chat and I fuck with that chain. We sipping that egg and we whipping that crack. Long clip on the main, night shift on the train. Bitch, give me my stacks, bitch, break me my rate.
Oh yeah, it ain't over, motherfuckers.